Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I started coming to Dr. Coleman's office for my son, who is 13 and a half, and his pediatrician at his most recent exam found some scoliosis. So I asked Dr. Coleman to take a look, and through that process we found that it was actually pretty significant, which we did not initially think. So we were faced with a pretty big surprise, and obviously I also consulted an orthopedist. That was sort of the angle that most of our friends and family and his pediatrician preferred us to go. His orthopedist took a look at him as well. Was not very concerned, didn't really have any procedures he wanted to do for my son, but was not opposed to us exploring chiropractic. So we have been aggressively seeking chiropractic treatment, and Dr. Coleman sees him 3 times a week. And we have, in I believe 2 to 3 months, maybe, of treatment, noticed significant improvement with him. We haven't repeated x-rays, but in functionality, his legs are even most of the time when he comes in for a visit. If they're off, they're very slightly off. Initially, they were significantly off. And his flexibility has improved tremendously. He's definitely able to run easier with less pain and function easier at school with less pain. And it's been really neat to see, and I look forward to hopefully in a month or 2 repeating this video and showing you the improvement on his x-rays.
What happened to you?
Through this process, I happened to ask, and it never occurred to me. You always think of chiropractors for helping your back. And I have had terribly weak wrists for years, which have, in the last few years, functionally really made a big difference. I don't golf anymore. I couldn't do a push-up if you paid me $100. And lo and behold, it just didn't occur to me. So I asked Dr. Coleman to take a look at my wrists, and 2 weeks after my first adjustment, I am significantly able to bear weight on them. Looking forward to hopefully trying to golf again this summer, and shocked in 2 weeks, out of nowhere, the improvement in the pain in my wrists. So it's been great.